Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. We'll be talking about online translation jobs with INTERLING Translations Limited. Founded in 2003, this company was born out of the growing need amongst the business, medical, and legal community in Ireland. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can apply for these online translation jobs. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Jobs button and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can find all the details and procedures to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.